What I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the mic on the 1974 K223 and we're going to start it up on low and see what that sounds like. Here we go, starting all fans on low. And the spin down. So next I'm going to move them all to medium except for the 1983 Lakewood C122X since it's only a 2-speed. However, I'm going to move the microphone over to one of the 1999 Lasko oscillating fans. Here goes medium. Spin down. Okay, I'm going to move the mic over to the 1983 C122X Lakewood. Here goes high. And spin down. Well, now let's just do one more startup from high and a spin down. So once again, this has been startup of the portable fans for 2024. Thank you for watching.